So it's a Friday and I want us to end the week with a vocabulary lesson on the different times of day. Okay, so the different periods of the day that you know of. So morning, afternoon, evening and all that. I want us to look at those in Twi. Okay, coming right up. My name is Yao and you're welcome to another lesson right here on LEARNAKAN.com. On this channel, we help you to read, write, and speak the Akan language of Ghana. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you find any of our lessons useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. All right, so if you are ready, let's go ahead and start. And we are starting with ahema dachi. Ahema dachi. Ahema dachi. Ahema dachi. Okay, but please take note that while we write this, we don't normally use this in our day-to-day conversations. Okay, so it is quite unusual to hear people saying ahema dachi. Okay, although we write that, we don't usually say ahema dachi in our day-to-day conversations. What we do say is ahoma chi. Okay, ahoma chi. So you will hear more of this in our conversations. All right, so you hear ahoma chi, ahoma chi, ahoma chi. All right, ahoma chi. And then we have anopa hema. Anopa hema. Anopa hema. Okay, anopa hema. Anopa hema. And sometimes we would refer to this period as anopa tutu. Anopa tutu. Anopa tutu. Anopa tutu. All right, anopa tutu. So the anopa part of the previous one is actually morning. Okay, so for our next one we have anopa. 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 Okay, anopa. And for the next one we have prem to bre. Prem to bre. Prem to bre. Okay, prem to bre. Via. 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 And I think I mentioned this in a previous lesson that this is the same name that we give to the sun. Okay, so you have via for the sun and via as afternoon. Okay, so sometimes we say via bre. Okay, via bre. Via bre. And once we have bre, which is time, attached to via, then there shouldn't be any confusion. Okay, so bre is time and then we have via. So it's like the sun's time or the afternoon time. Okay, so via bre. Via bre. Via bre. Oya toye. Oya toye. Oya toye. Okay, oya toye. Oya toye. So we have oya, which is the same as area for the sun. Okay, and we have to, and to means to set or to settle. Okay, so a place where something sits is atoye. So if you remember from our lesson on directional vocabulary, we said that the name for west is atoye. And why? Because that is where the sun sets. Okay, so here we have owia toye. So we have owia, sun, and then we have to, set. Sun sets. New, mre. New, mre. New, mre. Enyumre. So we have new, which is from nyunu. Okay, and when we say nyunu, it means cold. Okay, so nyunu is cold. So I can say, for instance, insuo no nyunu. Okay, insuo no nyunu. Insuo no nyunu. So the new that you see in enyumre stands for nyunu, cold. Okay, and then we have mre, and mre is the plural form of bre, and bre is time. You know that, right? So you have bre as time, and the plural form of bre is mre. So for enyumre, what we are saying is cold times, essentially. Okay, so cold times, nyunu, and then mre, cold times. So we have new, mre, new, mre, new, mre. Na, jo. Na, jo. Na, jo. Anajo. Anajo. Okay, anajo. And then we have na jo de sium. Na jo de sium. Anajo de sium. Anajo de sium. Anajo de sium. Or da sium. Okay, or da sium. Or da sium. Or da sium. All right, so very soon we are going to learn to tell the time in Twi. Okay, and before we get there, I would like you to arm yourself with all the necessary vocabs. Okay, so that's the purpose of this lesson, and another one that's coming before the actual telling time lesson. Okay, so what I would like you to do is to go back, replay the video several times, and make sure you have all the vocabulary items that we covered in this lesson memorized. Okay, and do look forward to the next one before the actual telling time lesson. Okay, so until next time.